Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a blog website which I programmed using Python, Django, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and I used SQLite in the backend. So as you can see, this is the home page of the blog website which I programmed. You can see this is pretty much the navbar, and these are the featured blogs. This is the featured story and the featured travel blog. So uh, you can go to the travel page to see all the travel blogs. I only created one travel blog, so there's not many of them. Uh, there's only one story which I created. So you can see the story here, and there's some blogs which I created. You can see, and you can read the blogs from this particular page. There's this pagination which I created, and you can go inside a blog, you can read it. You can see that this is a blog which is about the Lamborghini Revuelto. So you can also put your comment, and you can like or unlike a particular blog. You can also go to your dashboard. You can see your profile information. You can edit them. You can also update them, and you can see the blogs which you created. So these will appear here, and you can create a new blog from this particular page. And there is the stories. I didn't create any story from this account, so no stories appearing here. So there's these travel blogs, travel stories, personal blogs, and all that. And this is pretty much the dashboard. And you can also log out, and you can sign in, you can sign up. So let me sign in. Let's say put a wrong password, and it will show invalid credentials. And when I type in the correct information, then it logs me to the home page, and you can see that now I'm logged in. So this is pretty much the website, and this is the app which runs on the same backend as the website. You can see, so this is the app, the homepage of the app. You can go inside the stories, blogs, podcast guides, and all that. You can read the blogs from here. For example, you can read the blogs just by viewing a blog. And there's this REST API. This is the file, and what happens is that basically I'm calling the REST APIs from this particular file, and then I'm getting the information, and then I'm showing them in the app. So the way it works is, you can see this is Django app. This is I named it as API. So what's happening is that I also created this serializer. So what happens is that I created these to fetch the information from the backend as API. So it will return some JSON data, and then I will call this JSON data from the mobile app. Then I can access them, and I can show them in my mobile app. So in this way, using the same backend, I can run both the mobile app and the website. So this particular mobile app, this can be built for both the Android users and iOS users. So this will run on the Android and also on the iOS as well. So this is pretty much the app and the website which I programmed, and I wanted to show you how it looks. And this was it. So thank you.